Good morning. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all with good health, happiness, success. Stay safe wherever you are. Eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, and listen your parents' instructions. Have a good day ahead. Now let's back to the class. What we have done in our next class? Who will tell me?
Chapter number 5, Ruchil. Ma'am, prepositions.
Prepositions done. Complex prepositions done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Exercise done in the textbook. Let me open 7th standard now. It was 6th class now. Wait for a while. Yes, any one of you can speak about the content, what we have learned yesterday. We learned about the complex prepositions because of, in search of, thanks to. Have you completed the exercise of textbook? Now we are going to start listening in your.
Yes.
Right? How much we have done?
Ma'am, we had done till vocabulary wall completed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now we are speaking. It is remaining.
Very good. So it is a little portion. It is having lot of interesting activities now. Now see what we have learned in our previous class. Let's have a recap. We learned about, today it is very windy, so I got tired of managing the books and all these things. Okay, it is blowing fast. Now what we have learned is, we learned about the prepositions, complex prepositions and prepositions. What are the prepositions? Prepositions are the words which states, which defines or which explains us the relationship between noun and other words. Okay, if I say that my book is on the table, so on is the preposition which shows the relationship, the book and in between the table, right? Okay. So here there is a normal thing, okay, prepositions are complex also. How they can called complex prepositions? There are two groups, 2-word unit and 3-word unit. What are the 2-word unit prepositions apart from, according to, because of, except for, instead of, okay, due to, instead of, thanks to. These all are the 2-word unit prepositions. Means here one word plus preposition. It is called complex preposition. Then again we will learn about the 3-word unit prepositions. Adya, you can on yourself. Not come later. See. Before 2 to 3 days, I don't know which class. Actually, 7th is having 4 division. Na? Sometimes I get confused in which class I instructed or which is remaining to instruct. Okay, now let's see, listen me carefully. In your English paper, you will have 5 marks unseen passage, 5 marks question answers of first chapter, 5 marks question answers of second chapter, and 5 marks for grammar of 1 and 2 chapters. Understood? Not more than this.
Ma'am, that is MCQ?
Yes, it is only MCQ based question paper.
Then writing portion is the diary entry and notice and writing. Then how will have to do?
In paper it will not be there. Okay? In your exam paper, only MCQ based questions. You will get 4 options. You have to choose any one of them. Okay? Writing and diary entry can be asked, but I didn't ask it because it will create confusion to you. If I say that, what of these is not important for diary writing? Date and time, date, day, time or address. Which thing is not important for diary writing?
Day.
Address, beta. Did you write your address in diary writing? So
No.
this is how we can ask. This is how we can ask questions for diary writing. Means writing also. But I didn't ask. What I said you, 5 marks on scene passage, 10 marks for chapter 1 and 2 content. Okay. जो story है chapter की वो, and 5 marks for grammar. Done. 20 marks over. Is it not? Not more than this. And your paper is too easy. Don't be frightened about it. You will enjoy it. Okay. Any doubt or query now?
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now see what we are going to do is, now we are going to okay. Now see, we are going to learn about speaking. Major Hamilton was grateful to William for saving his important papers from being stolen. He might have said, I don't know what I would have done without these papers. Thank you so much, William. Here, when we want to thank someone, there are different expressions we could use depending on the situation. I appreciate the time you took to explain this to me. It was very kind of you to come see us off at the railway station. Thanks a ton for all your help. I couldn't have done this without your help. Now, how would you express your gratitude in these situations? Don't forget to explain why you are grateful. Your friend lets you stay over at their place when your parents are out of town. What happened? Your parents are out of Morbi and one of your friend allow you to stay at his or her home for night, 1 night or 2 days. So how would you thank him or her? Who will tell me the answer? How would you thank your friend? Because they help you to stay you at their place when your parents are out of town. Yes, on your camera. Yes, on your camera and start speaking. Don't be dull. Did you have your breakfast today? Vishal, what did you eat for breakfast? What you eat?
Ma'am, milk and murkha.
All right. Anyone who is remaining to have breakfast? It's 10, almost 10. Eat healthy food on time. Oh, you people are looking little bit lazy nowadays. Huh? I think that I need to come to your home with my stick. Do you know my stick? See, I am sitting in the online classes with stick. So whosoever makes that, I will hit you. Is it not? No, it's not for you. Now see, yes. Yeah, Rishil is going to say something. Yes, Rishil.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your friends let you stay over at their place when your parents are out of town. So, ma'am, I will say to my friends that thank you for giving time with, thank you for spending time with me. And if, and you are come, so ma'am, so I am not frightened. Thank you.
Good. Now, Harsh Kanwar, next situation is for you. A policeman helps you find your lost bicycle. How would you thank him?
What, ma'am? I didn't.
A policeman helps you find your lost bicycle.
Ma'am, I will thank the policeman for finding my bicycle because I had so many memories with the bicycle, and I will also help him if he wants my help in any case.
Good. So you can say that I couldn't have done this without your help, police uncle. Thank you so much. Whenever you feel that I will be helpful for you, you can call me. Okay? This can be done. Now see, here is listening exercise. The Global School is conducting an intra-school cultural fest. Listen to the announcements about the various events. And as you listen, complete this table. Wales Cultural Fest timetable. Here is the one table is given here. 3 events are there. You have to choose write the event name, venue, day and date and time. I am going to read the text for you. You people have to recognize what is the name of the event, when it is going to be happen, where it is going to be happen, and day and date also. Let me go to the listening text exercise. Wait for a while. Yes. Now see, chapter 2 listening text exercise, first one. Welcome one and welcome all to Wales Cultural. Welcome one and all to Wales Cultural Fest. Your week of fun, games and competition is here at last. We have many exciting events in store for you. Now see, first one, the quiz. The quiz club is back with their annual mega event, Battle of Brains. Brings your GK and your team of 3 to the main auditorium at 2 p.m. on Monday, 5th August. Don't lose your chance to be crowned Wizard of the Year. Now see, the quiz club is back with annual mega event. The quiz club is back with annual mega event, Battle of the Brains. Battle of the Brains brings you GK and your team. Bring your GK and your team of 3 of the main auditorium at 2 p.m. Where? At the main auditorium at 2 p.m. on Monday, 5th August. Don't lose your chance to be crowned Wizard of the Year. What is the name of the event? Battle of the Brains. Venue, where it is going to be happen?
Auditorium.
Main auditorium. Day and date? Monday, 5th August.
Monday, 2 p.m.
And time 2 p.m. Now say, don't worry, Rishil, you will get an opportunity to write. I will give you time for writing. Just listen and answer first, okay? Now, second event announcement. On Tuesday, 6th August, the Western Dance Association brings to you Step Up, the most awaited solo dance competition of the year. Show off your fancy moves at the outdoor stage. Be there at 10 a.m. sharp. Here, on Tuesday, 6th August, the Western Dance Association brings to you Step Up, the most awaited solo dance competition of the year. Show off your fancy moves at the outdoor stage. Be there at sharp 10 a.m. sharp. Now, what is the name of the competition? What is the name of the competition? What is the name of the competition? Step Up Solo Dance Competition. What's the name? Step Up Solo Dance Competition. Where it is? Where is the venue? Where it is going to be happen? Outdoor stage. Day and date. Who will tell me day and date of it? Day and date, 6th August, Wednesday. Timing?
3 p.m.
3 p.m. or 10 a.m. What's the timing?
10 a.m.
Okay, wait, let me check the present. You people are looking very dull today. No one is answering properly.
Ma'am,
Harsha,
answer is
Rishika, Khushi, Nandani, Nandan, sorry, Dev, Ramya, Dhruv, Ayan, Adhya, Sushant, Ishwar, Rishil is answering. What about others? Did you have your breakfast? Okay, now third one. Are you a drama queen or perhaps a drama king? We have the perfect event for you. On Wednesday, 7th August, come to the basketball court at 3 p.m. along with your team of 5 to participate in Future Stars, the impromptu skit competition. The funniest play wins. What is the name of the competition?
the funniest play wins. The funniest
Future Stars.
the
Future Stars. The Future Star, the impromptu skit competition. वेन्यू कहाँ पे होगा ये competition?
Ma'am, basketball court. Ma'am,
Very
basketball.
good. Day and date?
Ma'am, Wednesday,
Wednesday.
7 August. August, Wednesday, and
It is-
time is 3.
Very good. Now you have to see, you have to write it in your textbook. Off your cameras and start writing. See here, is it visible to you properly now? Battle of the Brains GK quiz, main auditorium, September. Yeah, write down. Whenever you finish, tell me. I'm giving you time for writing, okay?
Ma'am, your screen is blurred. Ma'am, return. Ma'am, return.
Okay. Good. Now see, what we are going to do is now we are going to discuss about writing. Okay, wait for a while. It is having lot of difficulty to sit here at the terrace. Now see, then what we have done, writing part. Okay, here is the example of notice writing. How do we write notice? See, page number 22 of your textbook, there is detailed format. A notice is written to make an announcement or to give information to a particular group of people. You just listen to announcements for Global Schools Cultural Fest. Now, write a notice for any one of the competitions announced. Use the information from the table you complete and also add relevant details of your own. Name of the school, Global School, notice. Date. Fest means Mezwani. Okay. Now, date. You have to write it here. Name of the event, the name of the competition, invitation to students to participate, day, date, venue, time, participants, what to bring, whom to contact, and designation. Now, we are going to write about the notice. Any one of you can point towards your textbook because you are having the detailed notice in your textbook. I am just having the format. Who is having textbook with you?
Ma'am,
Can I see Rachel?
Ma'am, I can
Rachel. Yes, okay, ma'am. Harsh cover. Harsh, on your camera and start reading the notice. Okay, point it properly that so that we can see it. Every one of you switch off your camera. See here, he is going to read a notice for us. Name of the school, notice, 6 July 2020. Now, inter-school dance competition. Yes, Harsh, on your camera. Yes, now start.
Sorry, my mic was mute. An inter-school dance competition will be held at a school auditorium. Auditions for this event will be held every day this week during the lunch break. Interested candidates may give their names to Mrs. Sharma from the English department. The details are given below. Eligibility: classes 9 to 11. Last date for submitting names: 31st July 2020. Date of competition: 17 August 2020. Venue: the Lakeside School Auditorium. The principal: the Lakeside School. I am done.
Very good, very good. Harsh, thank you, beta. Now we are going to write a notice about any one topic. Okay, about any one of the 3 topics. Now let's see what I am going to explain you is. Now I am going to share one note with you. Notice Global School, notice 30th April or May लेते 30th May 2021. Sit down for it. Wait for a while. Let her go. Go. Now, name of the competition: Battle of the Brain, GK quiz. All quizzing stars are invited to prove their GK knowledge at the mega event of the year, Battle of the Brain. The brainiest team of the lot will be crowned Wizard of the Year. Day and date: Monday, 5th August 2018. Sorry, here it's May, na? So 5th June 2021. Venue: main auditorium. Time 2 p.m. Participants: 3. Yes, I will send you PDF. What to bring? Just yourself and all your GK skills. Contact Arthi Venkat, Secretary, Quiz Club. Okay, this is how we can writing. Okay, notice. Now here is punctuation in your textbook. Let me get with it. Now see punctuation. In direct speech, a question mark or an exclamation mark. A question mark or an exclamation mark may be appropriate. However, the punctuation mark does not always come at the end of the sentence. If it is not at the end of the sentence, it is not followed by a capital letter. For example, have I met you before? The stranger asked. Run. We are very late, he said. A sentence can be split inside the question mark. Okay, here write these sentences again using the correct punctuation marks in capital letters. Now see, I am going to show you the answer. You have to write in notebook. Okay, I will send you PDF then.
Ma'am, अभी नहीं लिखना है.
अभी नहीं लिखना है. Now we are going to write just. Okay, now see. Wait for a while. Punctuation 1. Who are you? Asked the man. I haven't seen you before. Now, the second. Let me go, shouted Nikhil. I want to stay here. To continue softly. He continued softly. Now next one. Leave this room at once, shouted father. Fourth one. The girl ran away with the biscuits. Come back, demanded her mother. 5. I am not coming. Why don't you let me be? Pleaded Pooja. Now let's see the life skills. Okay, you will get its PDF. Don't worry for the answer. Now see the C1. Okay, life skills question. It is very interesting. See here. Children have rights just like adults. These rights are freedoms that all children should have so that they can lead safe and happy lives with equal opportunity for growth and education. The United Nations published a document called Convention on the Rights of the Child that lists out these rights. Read them and match them to the correct responsibilities. Rights and responsibilities. Rights. Let me read some rights, then I will explain you the responsibilities also. Ishwakavar, did I ask you to answer? No. Then why are you answering, beta? Be mute. First, right to be protected from cruelty and violence. Second, right to have a clean environment at home, at school, or wherever they are. 3. Right to education. 4. Right to freedom of thought and religion. 5. Right to proper medical care. Right to healthy food. Right to relax, play and join in a wide range of activities. Now see a responsibility. Now responsibility is A, responsibility to learn as much as they can and help others learn. Second means B, responsibility to respect other people's thoughts, opinions and beliefs. C, responsibility not to waste food. D, responsibility to include everyone in their games and activities. E, responsibility not to bully or harm each other. F, responsibility to keep their surroundings clean. G, responsibility to take care of themselves. Now let's see right and responsibilities. First, right to be protected from cruelty and violence. E, first answer E, responsibility not to bully or harm anyone. Now I am going to point to the textbook. Be attentive. First one, right to be protected from cruelty and violence. Its answer is E, responsibility not to bully or harm each other. Second, right to have a clean environment at home, at school or wherever they are. Its answer is F, responsibility to keep their surroundings clean. 3. Right to education. A, responsibility to learn as much as they can and help others learn. B, means 4. Right to freedom of thoughts and religion. B, responsibility to respect people's thought, opinions and beliefs. 5. Right to proper medical care means G, responsibility to take care of themselves. Now 6. Right to healthy food means C, responsibility not to waste food. 7. Right to relax, play and join in a wide range of activities means D, responsibility to include everyone in their games and activities. Now see, I hope all of you have written the answers for life skills. Have you written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Return.
All right. Now see, what we are going to do is,
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
wait for a while, beta. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this is we have done in chapter 1, chapter 2. Now we are going to discuss about workbook chapter 2. Wait for a while. Let me get it. Where is our workbook of 7? Wait for a while. Till then you can open your workbook. Open your workbook. Wait for a while. Pari, have you seen my workbook, Pari? No? Alright, I think I forget it at downstairs. Don't worry. You can open yours, then I will be helping you from here itself. That day we were having homework, Pari. That day we were having homework in workbook. Now, what was it? Question 1, grammar. Workbook's answers. Grammar, first A. Question A, answers from, to, until, for, of, after, to, with. Any one of you can point your workbook. I will explain you. Yes. Are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I am having it with me. Now leave it. Okay? I am pointing my camera to the workbook. You have to cross-check all your answers. Comprehension. Grammar. Complete this poster of classroom rules with the correct prepositions. First, this is the place to take risks and learn from mistakes. From. Be kind to each other. Bullying is not allowed. 2. 3. Keep asking questions until you really understand. 4. You are responsible for your own actions. Be honest. 5. It's good to have a mind of your own. 6. Express your views only after the other person is done talking. After. 7. We all make mistakes. Be compassionate to each other. 8. Don't criticize people. Agree or disagree with their ideas. Now, complete these sentences with the complex prepositions from the box. Nita is going to accept the award on behalf of Sahil as he is absent today. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please repeat the answers of grammar. Yes,
you can write, beta. I have pointed it. You can write.
Okay.
You will get it in PDF also, beta. Don't worry. Okay. Now see the second one. That according to the weather report. Yes, beta.
मैम आपने वो जो PDF भेजी थी ना, इसके पहले वाली, हाँ मैम उसमें से मैंने ये सब लिख लिया.
All right. Okay, good. Now see, Jesse decided to take the job in Singapore regardless what everyone said. The beach walk is easy in comparison to the Himalayan trek. Ramesh got chickenpox in spite of getting vaccinated. Okay, except for Ninad, who is away in Delhi. We all will be at the wedding. Now, see here, complete the sentences with the correct fixed expressions. We want to see a horror film yesterday. Ismat was as white as a sheet throughout. B. Second, people who litter when there is a dustbin nearby really make me see red. 3. Someone's speaker is on. Please switch off your mic. Devbhadra Kiya. Now 3. I know I shouldn't, but I felt green with envy when I saw Mara's new pencil box. Fourth one. We had to give my pet cat Snuffles away because we are shifting to Bangalore. I am feeling blue. 5. Norbu went red in the face when he realized that he had forgotten to wear shoes. My feet are black and blue after all that running we did today. See? Now, Booker T. Washington is trying to get to school on time. Circle the words describe his movement and underline the words that describe the other's movement. Here, Booker's movement: bolt, dash, scramble, rush, scamper. Others' movement: stroll, crawl, amble, mendel, pop. Okay, plod. Now, punctuation and all these things, you will get this PDF today, but you have to complete these two as homework in your workbook for today. Okay, now see, what is your today's homework? Today you have to solve punctuation and writing of page number 14 and 15 in your workbook. All right. Now, yes, do you? Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Do you have any query?
No, ma'am, no query.
Okay, fine. I hope you people have understand the content. Any doubt for the grammar of the chapter, writing, or anything else?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
All right,
Ma'am,
fine. Punctuation, if you want to write right now, you can do it in workbook. I will point it for you. What do you think? If you want to complete it now, you can complete it. I will show you the answer. You have to write it from book. Okay. Let me point the text to you. You people can write. Open your workbook and start writing. Then you will have only writing as a homework. Now see. Punctuation. Page number 14 of your textbook. Start writing. Run. Do you think the train will wait for you? Shouted father. Start writing. Have you started writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Move in workbook.
Ma'am, your video is...
Yes, in workbook.
मैम आपका वीडियो दिख नहीं.
Now say, now is it okay?
नहीं मैम, नहीं दिख रहा. हाँ मैम, आप
Wait. Now see, now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then start writing. Have you finished?
No, ma'am. I am on question number 3.
Okay, write down.
मैम आपका वीडियो फिर से चला गया.
Now see, now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of your work is now incomplete? Do you? Okay, fine. Come.
Ma'am, my CW done.
Ma'am, your video is paused. Yes, ma'am. वीडियो नहीं दिखा. हाँ, मैं अब दिखा. मैम मैं लास्ट लाइन में.
Ma'am, done. मैम राइटिंग होमवर्क में नोटिस राइटिंग.
Yes, beta.
मैम done CW.
Okay, good. Now see, if any one of your work is incomplete, don't worry. You will get in PDF form. Okay. Now today's homework is you have to complete writing of workbook. All right. Now see, again I'm telling you what we have done today. Today we have practiced thank you means speaking. Thank you, gratitude showing activity. Then we learned about writing, listening text, and we practiced life skills exercise. In life skills exercise, we learned that government has given us rights. Okay. With these rights, we have to follow the what? With these rights, we have to follow some duties. If someone gives us right of cleanliness, to having clean atmosphere around us, it means that it is our duty to keep our surroundings clean also. Okay, आप बच्चे हो, आपको cleanliness होना चाहिए आसपास, ये सही बात है. But it doesn't mean that कि बड़े लोग साफ करें और आप कचरा करते जाओ. No, you too have to show your gratitude and what we call it, your respect towards the people who work for cleanliness, right? Now see what we have done today. Today we have solved workbook, vocabulary, workbook, punctuation, then textbook, punctuation, punctuation, writing, speaking, listening, and life skills activity. Now we are going to see the rest of the part in our next class with third chapter, right? If I get worksheet, then meanwhile we will complete worksheet also. Now homework, writing of workbook, page number 15. And today's presentee, who are absent in your class today? Tell me the names of absent students. Tell me the names of absent students. Yes? Okay, present students can speak. Very good. Let me write. Saina is absent. Then Manav, yes. Okay. Just type your present fast.
Started.
Saina, Manav, and Dhruv. Okay. Okay. Good. Now time over. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave class. Have a good day. Bye. Bye bye beta. Bye. Bye.